this is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 1st of April. Thought we'd start with silver this morning. I added to my positions on silver in this little spike, not so clear on this chart actually, but I'll look at that in a bit more detail in a minute. I want to talk about the 200-day moving average at the moment. Just a quick warning, if using IG, then the values are different on this average than they are in most other charting functions I've come across. So the 200-day moving average is around 18 on silver. So what we've seen is the market thrust ahead well above the average in the first leg, what I'm calling this new bear market. Then had this A, B, C type function, which I'm calling wave 2. We've now thrust up again. That's failed, and now we're retesting again. What's encouraging, if you can look at this action here, is especially yesterday when we just bounced off the average. Let me expand this. Okay, you can see quite clearly that the silver moved up above it, retested there, bounced, retested again yesterday, and so far it's bounced. So that's quite encouraging. Sent out a WhatsApp alert. I also included SMS for those of you who hadn't yet moved to the WhatsApp room when I bought this spike. Now on silver, the spike's been retested, but we weren't stopped out. My stop was below that spike, so still long into this move. Still long, of course, from other positions. I mean, this is just an addition to current holdings, but certainly a good opportunity to add to positions here. Let's go down to a shorter term. Right, this is the hourly chart. So the 200 moving average is around the 18 level. This was a spike I bought a couple of days ago. We did actually probe a little bit lower than that, but my stop was below here, so that didn't get too problematic. Obviously it's worth extending the stop a little bit given that that was a big round number. So we have got a possible 1, 2, 3 developing, and it'd be very encouraging to see silver break that way come next week. That's looking fairly positive. Well, on gold we've got the same basic pattern. We've got the first leg up there, A, B, C, tracking the 200 moving average quite nicely there. And now we've got this new leg developing. This could be a 1, that could be a 2, this could be a 3 starting up. But the 200-day moving average is proving to be solid resistance, and it's around 1260 at the moment. So let's have a look at that in a bit more. Alright, so the average is around the 1260 level. And we saw the spike. Let me just get this right. I think the spike goes down to here, in fact. So that has been. I got stopped out of that quite clearly. However, 1, 2, 3. I mean, it is perhaps developing into another rally, but the key level is 1260, and we need to see the market above that. So, quite different patterns, really. I mean, silver's looking encouraging. I like the setup there, so I'm still long. Gold's probed lower, and still got that major resistance at 1260. So that's the key thing. All right, onto the equity markets, where it's been fairly quiet. Start with the FTSE, quite an interesting pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possible reversal pattern. This still looks pretty corrective. A, B, C, B, C perhaps. This could be an impulsive decline. I think if we see acceptance above 7.4, then I'll say that the bear case is over. But if we start probing lower, and obviously acceptance below 7.250, then that would tend to confirm that we have seen something quite important. Where that develops. This is all a bit dithery at the moment. It's going down, but it's not going down very fast. So just need to watch that. I would tend to go with any sell signals come Monday morning. So I mean the 5-minute bar might be useful, I guess, at that point. See what else might develop. Alright, the DAX, we saw this ABC, whereas FTSE saw the 5 waves down. We then saw a 1, 2, possibly 3, 4. Bits of sideways action. 1, 2, 3. I think new all-time highs are pretty likely now. I think it's around 12.4. I've been saying that for a few weeks now. So I think we're probably going to see more upside there before any kind of reversal comes in. At least any significant reversal. We could easily see a bit of a sell-off, but I think the market will see new all-time highs before a substantial decline begins. All right, finally the Dow, which remains quite interesting. We saw the peak there. We had a 1, ABC 2 possibly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the whole thing could be an ABC, but so far this rally is pretty corrective. A, B, C maybe. I mean it's uncertain, but the wave 1 low was there, So right now, this still could be a wave 4. Any move above 207.80 would negate that particular count. But right now, a fifth wave decline would be valid as a reversal signal. I can't say I'm that encouraged by it. It's all a little bit dithery. I would have thought this wave 4 would have reversed by now, but the count still is valid for now. So I had to wait and see how it goes. So the only market really that's that positive is the DAX. I'm not quite sure why that is. Perhaps it's celebrating Brexit or something for some obscure reason unknown to me. Right, we'll just say a few words about Bitcoin. Sorry, I said DAX was the final. Quite a busy couple of months, really. This is the beginning of February. So we moved smartly up through 1,000, up to 1,300, making new all-time highs. We then saw this huge blip up, blip down. I can't remember who came first. I think the blip up came first. So a high of 1,350 now, new all-time highs. Since then, it's been falling back around the 1,000 level, which is here, bouncing around up above it at the moment. I think probably there's a bit of uncertainty because there may be a split coming. Bitcoin Unlimited and I think Bitcoin Core, there's a couple of other contenders. The consensus appears to be that if you hold Bitcoin and there is a split, you'll retain your original Bitcoin and get an additional version of the new coin. So I think the ultimate resolution will probably be quite positive. But right now there's a certain amount of uncertainty which could be accounting for these gyrations we're seeing. I did buy some Ethereum mining shares during the week, just as an addendum, as Ethereum is the second most favourite cryptocurrency, and that seemed like a sensible move to take. Still fascinating, and I'm enjoying my my interest and my investment in these things. I wish I got in a bit earlier, obviously. Anyway, on that note, I'll call it a day. I hope that interesting and useful. Back to the report for subscribers on Tuesday morning. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.